What's going on, everybody? Jermaine, Lead Monster Steele here, Traveling Beast, partner with Jermaine.com. Guys, I wanted to shoot this quick video. Excuse the lighting, still getting my room set up here. As you guys can see, waiting on my chair so we can start the podcast. Anyway, I just wanted to basically take some time to show you guys the new hub, the new site, right? And I'm working with a few people to get theirs going. If you guys want to know more about me, you can head over to the About Me section, and then you can head over to services if you want to work with me. You can head over to the Work With Me page where you're going to see right at the top, guys, every Wednesday at 10 a.m. I'm going to start doing our weekly call again, the Traveling Beast call at 10 a.m., guys. And you're going to just basically dial this number right here. All right, you're going to go to partnerwithjermaine.com. You're going to click on Work With Me. And then you're going to dial in, and from your mobile, you could just automatically click that. And then you're going to enter that code right below. You guys can obviously see, just like on jermainesteele.com, real people, real results. So I got testimonials on one page, social proof on another. Likely by the time you see this video, both of these two will be meshed together. But again, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Responsible for over 250 million monthly visitors. And then you can see some just screenshots and proof and stuff that I'm down here adding into the website. And then if you want to get to kind of just know me, if you don't already, my family, travel, live life, make money, help others. That's the tagline. That's our mantra, if you will. And that's what we live by, right? Because if we didn't travel and live life, we likely won't make money and be able to help other people as well. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, click the back button. And actually, that's the last page. What I want to do now is you can hear the audio on this specific video. And you might be watching this video because you wanted to see a review on the DJI Mic Mini. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this video right now, and you're going to hear the audio moving forward with the DJI Mic Mini, so you can see the difference between the audio. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. All right, we're back, guys. Welcome back, and we are going to open up the DJI Mic Mini. First, we're going to start with what comes with it, right? So it comes with the receiver, transmitter, it comes with the charging case, the carrying pouch, the 2 clip magnets, and then it comes with the mobile adapter, the iPhone adapter, so you can hook up to your iPhone, the audio cables. It also comes with the windscreen, it comes with the charging cable, and the documents that you need, which is just going to be the manual. So I told you guys I was going to be recording this with the DJI Mic Mini in the last video before I cut into this one, but obviously I need to open it up. So you can see it comes in the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the box down. And once I cut off of this video and you guys see all the contents, then I'm going to record a last little clip for you guys to hear the actual audio, right? So I like this bag, it's really cool. And it's a really good size. This is gonna be the cables, right? And then it's gonna be the windscreens. And then it's gonna be the actual unit itself. So let me see if there's anything else inside of the bag that you guys need to see. I don't see anything else, so I'm gonna put the bag down. But again, you got your cables, your windscreens, and then what I'm gonna do is just open up the plastic on the actual charging case. So this is pretty cool. Good size, right? So not totally portable, so you can put in your pocket, but we're gonna take this sticker off. It is definitely portable enough to put in your backpack. We're gonna open that up, and you can see it light up. And what I like is it's very, very, compact. So when you're not charging it, you can easily carry this in your pocket if you wanted to, for whatever reason, right? And then these are gonna clip to via magnet. They're gonna clip to your shirt or whatever it is that you wanna clip these to, right? And I've heard that the quality of the audio on these things is really killer. So again, I'm gonna cut off into another video here shortly. Just wanted to kind of take everything out and let you see it. So you've got the, if I can get it out, the connector. So that's gonna go for your iPhone, right? So you're just gonna basically put this, where is it? Let's see, right here. And again, excuse the lighting, but I'm just getting my office now set up, but I wanted to shoot this before I started using it. And then that's gonna clip into, if you can see that, the bottom of your iPhone, right? And so then you take that off and it just goes right back in the case. So again, guys, I'm gonna basically shoot another video right now and cut back into this so you guys could hear the difference in audio. And make sure to check out my website like I showed you, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so the final video, I can almost guarantee you that you can tell the difference in the audio, right? My laptop's about to cut out, so the screen's about to cut. And in my future videos, I'll get this this lighting, right? But really, really cool. It came out of the box ready, paired. And if they're not paired, correctly, you just hold down the little pairing button. Let me show you that on the transmitter and the receiver, right? So you would just hold down this button here, and you would hold down the button on the transmitter as well. I believe the audio is probably carrying through both of them now because I just pulled out that second mic and I just put it back. So you guys will probably be able to tell the difference. But again, want to shoot this quick video, guys, make sure to click the link beneath in this video, whether you're seeing it on YouTube or Facebook, whatever the case may be. Soon enough, you're going to see a review tab at the top, and all these videos that I shoot review wise, you'll be able to basically purchase from my blog, right? Or my website. And so again, that's everything it comes with. I think there's a little bit better lighting now that the sun's going down outside. So again, excuse the lighting, and I don't have my tripods and everything else up just yet. We just moved into this house. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Partner with Jermaine.com. Check it out. Peace. Stay tuned for the podcast, and make sure to head over to the free training section of my website so that you guys can hop on the calls every Wednesday at 10 a.m. PST. Peace.